Have you ever said, "I'll do it tomorrow"? Just one more day, one more break, one more excuse. Most people don't realize this. "I'll do it tomorrow" is the most expensive sentence in the world. It costs dreams, it costs opportunities, it costs years. This is the story of a man named Jason, a normal guy with big dreams, but a bad habit. The habit of delaying everything. He wanted to get fit. He wanted to start a business. He wanted to fix his life. But every time he planned something, he whispered to himself, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. And months quietly turned into years. One day, Jason looked in the mirror. He didn't see the man he wanted to be. He saw a man who kept waiting and waiting and waiting. That day, something different happened. His little nephew came to him and asked, "Uncle Jason, why don't you ever do the things you say?" That question hit him harder than any failure ever had. A child had seen the truth. He had become a man of promises, but no actions. Jason walked outside, sat alone on the porch, and whispered a painful confession to himself. "If I keep waiting for tomorrow, I will waste the rest of my life." So he stood up, not because he felt motivated, but because he felt ashamed of postponing his own future. He didn't wait for January. He didn't wait for Monday. He didn't wait for the right time. He started that day. He went for a run. He cleaned his room. He wrote down his goals. He took action, real action. And something surprising happened. The more he acted today, the less he needed tomorrow. Within months, his health improved. His side business started growing. He felt proud, truly proud, for the first time in years. Jason learned the truth most people avoid. Your future is not built tomorrow. Your future is built today. Every day you wait, someone else gets stronger. Someone else gets closer. Someone else takes the opportunity meant for you. So the next time your mind tells you, "I'll do it tomorrow," answer with this: "No, I'll do it today." Because today is power. Today is progress. Today is the only day you can change your life. Tomorrow is just a trap for those who never act.